Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Welcome to another episode of this Adobe Illustrator free crash course on the channel. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to share the video with your friends. But let's just dive into it. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Illustrator to draw. It's a pretty simple technique, but the reason why I click on this video is because you don't know how to do it, and I'm going to teach you. So I've got my Adobe Illustrator opened already, so I'm just going to click on new. Then let's use print for this. Later, change the orientation to landscape, and don't forget to change it to RGB. Like I said in the last video, the reason why you have to change it to RGB is because RGB is much more easier to use, and CMYK is just confusing. When you want to export it, you can change it to a CMYK if you want to create. All right, so we've got our artboard ready. Now I'm just going to place the picture we are going to use here. Then I'm going to click, while placing, make sure you click on template here. The reason why you click on template is because it will give you this beautiful, I don't know the word to use. Anyway, the moment you click on template, this is how it's going to look. The reason why it's going to look like this is because you can't move it. Even when you use the direct selection tool, you just can't move it. It will stick to your artboard and you'll be able to draw comfortably without worrying about shifting the image or maybe distorting the image in a way. So yeah, let's just dive into it. To draw, I'm going to use the Curvature tool for this. Curvature tool is a tool that most designers use to draw. It's hard to find designers using pen tool nowadays because pen tool is just hard and frustrating to use. And for the sake, I'm just not going to teach you how. Maybe I'll teach you how to use it, but I don't think it's important. So it starts. So by clicking on the Curvature tool, you click on one. Notice what the Curvature tool does here. The moment I click on here's the third dot, it creates a curve, and that's why we like Curvature tool rather than I think I can adjust this. Probably I did not do it well. Ctrl Z to undo it. This like this and like this. Let me change the fill to this and stroke to probably maybe 5. I think 5 will be alright. And voila! Look what we've done. I'm going to go over it and just draw diagram. Now I'm going to click here. So to create the curve, all you have to do is click on the beginning of the line, then click on the middle and the end to create that curve you want without worrying about if the line is straight, or it will automatically create the curve for you. You don't have to stress yourself. That's one thing we love about the Curvature tool. Let's draw the cup now. Time to do the cup. Let's do the handle first. I kind of think the handle will be easier first. How is it looking? Can I drag it here? Yes, I can. Oof! Look how good it looks. And I think the reason why I like the tool is just the simplicity of the tool. You don't have to stress. It's just so easy. And to be able to design complicated logos. One thing you need to know is that you don't have to worry about how good it looks. You just need to learn how to use the tool. That's the most important thing now. I'm just teaching you how to use the tool. It does not have to look good. You are a learner, and there's always room for error when you are learning something from the beginning. So you don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just do it. As you can, the way I'm doing it, I'm not even doing it seriously. If I was designing a logo, I would take it more seriously, but I don't think I need to take it seriously. Yeah. So guys, to make a straight line on Curvature, you already know that while using Curvature 2, the moment you click here, then maybe top, the middle, and click it again, it's going to create a curve, right? But to create a straight line, you have to double click again, and it will create a straight line. So the reason I don't have to do this for all the lines, I'm just going to click on it, press Alt on my keyboard. It's going to copy it directly. This the flexibility I've been talking about in Illustrator is so easy. Design is made easy with this program. You don't need to stress. And yeah, we've got our cup, but now it's time to arrange it. So we obviously want the curve by the end. Let me zoom in a little bit. We want this curve, this little curve right here. We want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, then click on stroke. You'll be provided with this. Go to cap, then you click on the rounded cap. Notice how it changes. See, we've got that round. So what I'm going to do now is, considering I don't have enough time, I'm going to select everything, then go to stroke, click on cap, and yeah. So now it's time to edit it. To remove all these unnecessary stroke, you have to select everything. By selecting everything, you'll be able to adjust it. Then you come here. There's a tool known as the shape builder tool here. The shape builder tool basically will give you the flexibility, the ability to combine several shapes together. But see, notice what happened here the moment I drag to. See, now this is now a single shape. Let me undo it a bit. Let me do it again. See, a single shape. But the moment I click on the Alt tool, notice how it changes to minus. This minus means you'll be able to remove unnecessary parts, basically what you don't want to see from your drawings. Then click, and there we have it. Click. I could do this all day, but you can fast forward to the end if you want to. Oof, I think I deleted something accidentally. Control Z, yeah. Oh, this is what happened if you don't take your time. Yep. Just delete this as well. Delete this. Delete this, and this. And there we have it. We've got our cup. To view this more perfectly, click on your right hand side. You click on layers. Then where is it? Then yeah. Look how beautiful this looks. We can move it around. I can choose to group it if I want to by clicking everything, by clicking on it and group. We've got our cup. Look how beautiful it looks. See, drawing with Illustrator is very easy if you are using the Curvature tool. In the next lesson, I might go over the pen tool, but I don't think you need it, considering the Curvature tool does everything. You can draw a straight line if you want to. You can also draw the curve. You can draw a curve if you want to, and it's more easier than using the pen tool. So I don't know what you need the pen tool for. You actually don't need it. Anyway, this is how it will look like if you do it perfectly. I'm going to drop a link to our Google Drive, which you'll be able to download this image. Where did I even get it from? I think I got it from Vector Stock. You can use it to practice, and if you are done, make sure you tag us on Instagram on any of your posts using hashtag GP Academy so that we'll see it. We'll see the progress you've made. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please drop a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be creating more design tutorials like this on the channel, because truth is that we need more designers out there. We can't have enough. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.